How to increase Citi Double Cash Card credit limit. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about increasing the Citi Double Cash Card credit limit. So let's get started. You can request a credit limit increase for your Citi Double Cash Card online or by calling the 800-950-5114, and Citibank reviews requests individually, but you may receive an increase automatically and if your account is in a good standing. To request by phone, follow the prompts to ask to speak to the representative, then provide your annual income and monthly housing payment. And for an online request, log into your account, go to the Services tab, select the Credit Card Services and click on Request a Credit Limit Increase. Choose your card, enter your income and housing payment, then submit your request. You will receive an immediate decision, and if approved, the new limit will be available right away. Citibank may also raise limits for their eligible cardholders automatically, though there are no guarantees. To enhance your chances for a limit increase, maintain a good account status, update your information, and ensure timely payments for at least 6 months. Monitor your credit score for any changes, and Citibank usually performs a soft pull for the automatic increases, which won't affect your score. However, requesting a limit increase may involve a hard pull, leading to a temporary score decrease. So this was all about it. This is how you can increase Citi Double Cash credit limit. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.